Most people think starting an online business is complicated. They think you need tech skills, a huge social media following, or thousands of dollars to start. But the truth is, none of that is required. In this video, I'm going to show you how complete beginners are starting an online business from home, even without tech experience, or if you're starting from zero. Before I discovered online business, I spent years working different jobs, doing literally everything I could just to make ends meet. Most months, my salary was gone within a week. And just like many South Africans, I started looking for ways to make money online. But I ran into two problems every time. Either it turned out to be a scam, or it paid literally in cents for hours of work. The biggest myth about making money online is that you need to be a tech expert. I'm living proof it's not true. When I started back in 2024, I literally only knew how to Google and how to send emails. That is really it, my extent of my knowledge. But once I learned the right system, everything changed. The way beginners succeed online today is by using automations and a proven system. That means you don't create products, you don't handle shipping, and you definitely don't need to be a tech genius. Your job becomes sharing and connecting people with the right solution. Imagine working from your laptop, from home, or even while you're traveling, from your phone. Imagine earning income in US dollars as a South African, and imagine building something that actually belongs to you. That is the power of an online business. If you're watching this and thinking, I'm not experienced enough, I'm not technical, I don't have time, I used to think the exact same thing. But the truth is, everyone starts as a beginner. So if you want to learn how to start an online business as a beginner with no tech experience, step by step, make sure you're subscribed to Ruan Road to Riches and comment ready on this video. I post new videos every single day showing beginners how to start and launch their very own online business. And remember, your life can change when you decide to design your life from paycheck to purpose.